Can you remove Instagram new UI? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are answering a common question, that is, can you remove Instagram new UI features and go back to the old layout? So here, let's clear up the confusion. So here to tell you the truth, Instagram new interface is not controlled by a setting inside the app. It is rolled out through server-side updates, which means Instagram decides who gets the new UI and when. And because of this, there is no official way to permanently remove or delete the new UI. But with that, many users also try uninstalling app updates, turning off auto update, clearing cache or data, or joining or leaving the beta programs. However, these steps do not permanently changes the UI because the layout is applied directly from the Instagram service. In some cases, reinstalling the app or using an older version may temporarily show you the old UI, but once Instagram syncs again, the new UI will usually return automatically. And with that, so to be clear, there is no guaranteed or permanent way to remove Instagram new UI. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.